Right, Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the Lunar Classic update. So 3 more days to close private for January 2024. Just click on the top right of the video to enter Discord and click on my name to chat with me regarding the private. So back into the Lunar Classic. This is for the first time I noticed that Lunar Classic has really closed below the this area, this rectangle that I gave you. That's for the first time you pretty much hit your head and you started to close below it, which is again a little bit of an issue. And you also have this double bottom here, so things still tells me that it's just better to give up maybe when Lunar Classic really comes down to 13,067. Another thing is that I'm trying to see if there's any bullish divergence of some sort or not, but it doesn't look like you have that much of a divergence. And the last time we talked about it is that Lunar Classic on the 4-hour time frame, this has always been good support on the RSI. So you had this one touch, you then again went up here, came down, and you had this touch. Honestly, the RSI does suggest that it has been oversold 2 times and it's just looking to make another overbought level. Okay, the RSI really tells us that we potentially may see another push to the upside, of course. So if I stretch this the support line, you can already see that anytime you went up, you came down, you went up, you came down, and it has always been supported right there. And after this support down here, you've always moved to the upside. So you've made one touch here, one touch there, you have pretty much come down, and look how bad you have rained to the downside. So basically we are talking about a price of 27,000 all the way down to even nearly 52% move to the downside. So I do believe that it's nonsense to go down, honestly. Like, on a logical basis, don't you see that 52% is down? And it makes there should be a little bit more logical. Market logic says that it should have a pump back up, because if some people are bearish now, they may have opened up a short position, and I think it's time we may see a stop taken, stop taken, stop taken there, stop taken here, another one here, another one there, all the way up here. Okay, so there's a lot of stop losses right here. I don't really think if the market makers will decide to drop it down and let all these people just win like that, but we're going to see. Time will tell. I personally still believe we may actually continue even a little bit more higher. So that's it for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.